Affiliate marketing is definitely one of the best ways to make money online because the good news is you don't have to have your own product or service to get into affiliate marketing. You actually can benefit by selling something for someone else. There are a lot of people who like to think that affiliate marketing is somehow a scam or that it's scummy, but the reality is that if you already work at a business, you're selling a product and service, but are you getting a commission for it? Are you getting your fair share of that sale that you brought in? Affiliate marketing is a way to do that digitally so that you get the benefit and the value, but you're not on your feet all day trying to close those sales. You can set up systems and content to do it for you. So today I'm going to be talking about Amazon affiliate marketing. I'm going to give you some of my tips for actually making money on Amazon. In my heyday, I was doing about $1,000 a month with the Amazon Associates program. I'm now in the new Amazon Influencer program. Because I'm a YouTuber, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the differences between the two and tell you how you can start making money online, because this is a great way to make passive income. Hey everybody, this is Roberto Blake helping you create something awesome today. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about Amazon affiliate marketing, and I'm going to tell you some things that you probably didn't understand about how the Amazon affiliate marketing program works. The general idea is that if you share a link from your Amazon affiliate program, you'll get a commission of the sale. But a lot of people don't realize that there are different categories in Amazon and they all have different percentages assigned to them. If you sell Amazon branded products like Amazon's fashion and clothing, the Echo devices, things like that, you get the largest commission by selling those Amazon products because Amazon gets the most margin on those. So this means you can get up to 10% of the commission on those products. So if you sell something like the Amazon Echo, which is over $100, you have a better chance of getting a $10 or $14 commission on something like that than if you sold other electronics, which might only get you maybe a 4% commission. The category that I tend to do best in when it comes to my commission sales is usually camera gear and laptops. And part of the reason is because of the fact that I have an expertise in video editing, photography, video production. So there's a lot of content on the channel that when I was primarily doing the Amazon Associates program was able to get those commissions. But even with just doing a few sales, you could make hundreds of dollars. Primary example, on a camera body and a camera lens, I think I got about roughly $80 a piece on just these two items in a very short period of time. By being able to make referral list, recommendations, product reviews, I'm able to generate sales for Amazon, and I'm able to take that larger affiliate commission of a high ticket item because cameras and lenses are expensive, like $1,000. Now, there are a lot of you who are going to say, well, I don't have an audience, Roberto, so I can't generate hundreds of dollars with Amazon. I can't generate thousands of dollars with Amazon. But building an audience is part of wanting to do anything in terms of online money making. If you want to do passive income online, at some point you're going to have to build an audience. Now, the good news is you don't have to be a YouTuber and you don't have to get thousands upon thousands of followers. You could just do something like a blog that is a resource for people like you reviewing actual products that you already own. And this is a great way to make money with Amazon. If someone like you is on the fence about buying and they read a good and detailed review that makes it easier for them to, confirm that decision or gives them an alternative that might either, cost a little bit more but provide more value, or saves them money, it costs less and it's, equivalent value, then that's helpful. So by being helpful and being a resource, you can actually make a lot of good money on Amazon this way. If you already have a website or blog, I recommend that you put together a resource list of everything that you already use in your business that can be purchased on Amazon and use your affiliate links. I also recommend you do this for other affiliate programs. I do this for web hosting, and I make on average on a bad month about $1,500 by recommending different web hosting providers that I've used, and I've used almost everybody, but I really prefer Bluehost if you want to do web hosting that has WordPress associated with it for a blog, or if you don't like coding and WordPress and those complicated things, I recommend Wix.com. So I'm going to link to those down in the description, in addition to all the Amazon affiliate links that I use for the things that I use for this YouTube channel, my camera, my microphones, my lighting equipment, because that is a great way for you to make affiliate sales. If you do a YouTube channel, a podcast, or a business, and you list the things that you use in your business, either in the description of that content or in a resources page, that is so easy for you to get commission sales from. But here's the other very attractive thing about affiliate marketing with Amazon, whether you're using the Associates program and the Influencer program. And like I said, I will tell you a little bit about the difference between the two. But one of the things I really love is that if somebody decides to click on your Amazon affiliate link and they decide not to buy that product, but they buy something else on Amazon within 24 hours, you get credit for that sale. So if you've ever wondered why there are people who say that they make a living through Amazon's affiliate program, this is the reason why. When you have people that are in your community or in your audience that are buyers and they buy a lot on Amazon anyway, if you can get to a point to where they're using your link as their gateway to how they're getting to Amazon before they make a purchase that day or the next day, then you're going to get credit for that sale. You're going to have facilitated that sale because you got them onto the website. So that is something that I think a lot more of you could take advantage of. And I think the more content you make, at least this has been my experience, with resource list, buyer's guides, top 10 list, comparisons, these are things that put you in a great position to continue to make those sales. One of the best categories for this that I've seen people pull off successfully is comparing headphones. I think these are about roughly a 6% commission. And as you know, wireless headphones are becoming more and more expensive. A lot of these start at a couple $100. So these might be worth anywhere from $10 to $20 a sale, just depending on what brand it is. So I think that that is a great example of how lucrative this can be for you. Obviously with cameras and camera lenses, that becomes even more valuable. Now, obviously, books and book recommendations are a huge part of Amazon, and you may not think that there's a lot of money in these book sales, but like I said, if someone uses your Amazon link for any of their Amazon shopping within 24 hours, then you're gonna get credit for that sale. And books are a great gateway to Amazon shopping, and there's impulse buying that happens after the fact. So this is your opportunity to grow your Amazon sales. In fact, I'm gonna do a whole dedicated video on 10 ways to make more money with Amazon affiliate marketing and give you some real strategies for this. I'm also gonna put together a step-by-step tutorial. I've signed up another Amazon account. I think it was an Amazon Canada account, because I figured out that I could make more money linking international accounts, together under one account. Another hack. But anyway, the point is that there are so many opportunities to make money in Amazon. So I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial, and I'm going to give you my top 10 tips for making more money with Amazon. So if that's something you're interested in, you want to make more money online, make more passive income, you'll want to subscribe, you'll want to hit notifications. And I've already got a lot of great content here on the channel around those topics. Earlier, I mentioned that I'm part of the Amazon Influencer Program. This is a newer program. It started a while ago, I think maybe as much of a year or so back, but I just decided to move over to this program. And there are a few other benefits that I get from this. I get to have my own customized, branded Amazon shop. So I picked amazon.com/shop/creator gear guide. And that's because there's a brand that I'm building. There's a new YouTube channel that I'm building that's specifically going to focus on gear for content creators. So I'm going to be doing stuff around, gear you need for podcasting, gear you need to start a YouTube channel at any budget, what you need as far as gear to be a graphic designer. These are things that I'm going to cover. I mean, I'm going to list all my lights, all my microphones, and I've already linked up those lists, so you can actually find that in the description down below. But by making a dedicated YouTube channel that specifically is going to focus on gear for content creators, I already know that this is going to be very lucrative for me with regard to Amazon. I also know that somebody who specializes in doing book reviews can do the same thing if that's their niche, and the margins on the books aren't really that bad. It's still something like anywhere from 4 to 6% on books, if I'm not mistaken. On physical books, I think it's 5%. But I'll talk about this more in some other videos. Now, to qualify for the Amazon Influencer Program, I'm going to link to that in the description down below for you as well, but you actually need 2,500 followers in a social media platform. So that could be Instagram, YouTube, whatever. And then like all Amazon programs, you obviously need to make a sale within those first 30 days, a significant sale of some kind. So make sure that once you do this, you're ready to start hustling and you're ready to start getting those affiliate sales. Now, this doesn't just apply to people who have, tech and electronics. Like I said, the fashion category has a very high commission percentage in it, but also home improvement and power tools have a high commission associated with them as well. So there's a ton of opportunity. In the US, PC part components are actually on the lower scale. They're actually less than the normal 4%. It's about 2.5% if I'm not mistaken. And I think that laptops, regardless of their price, have a maximum threshold of $25 per sale on the payout, which is why I really like the camera gear and the musical instruments category in terms of microphones and things like that, because it's just more profitable. So that's something you might want to research. You might want to look at what in your niche aligns to sales in terms of products on Amazon that have the highest overall commission and the best price that your audience will buy at. Now, in terms of how you get paid, you have to make at least $100 in the US, if I'm not mistaken, and that's probably the better payout. I mean, you could take it at a lower payout, but at $100, I think that's where it becomes worth it to actually go ahead and get that money. And you can decide whether you want that added to your Amazon account balance. You can get it as a check, or you can get it as a direct deposit. So you have options in terms of how you want to be paid. You cannot have it done through PayPal, unfortunately. I know there's a lot of you who would prefer that, but that's not how it works. So you have to meet a minimum threshold, depending on what country you are, for the payout. I think it's $25 Canadian. I think it might be 50 pounds in the UK, something like that. But just depending on where you live, once you meet that payroll threshold, they get you your money usually about the first week or so in the month, first couple of days in the month. And so that's just something that you'll want to look at in terms of if you're making money on this, you need to look at, well, am I meeting the threshold to get paid out? Just like if you were doing YouTube, you have to get to over $100 in AdSense before you can get paid. So there you go. That is how you make money with the Amazon affiliate program. I think I've given you a couple of tips and strategies, and I think I've also educated you about why this is such a great opportunity for you to make passive income online. The more content you make that's a resource for people that helps them with their buying decision, with their shopping, the more you're going to be able to generate revenue with the Amazon affiliate or the Amazon associate program. So that's something that I think you guys really should be a part of. I'm gonna link to it in the description below. And like I said, if you want any of the gear that I use to make my YouTube videos, anything that I'm using, in terms of audio, lighting, all of those good things, they're linked in the description down below. Question of the day. What are your thoughts about the Amazon affiliate program? Do you still have questions about that? Drop me your questions. I'll try and answer them in the comments. But also, what's your experience? Are you somebody who's made money on Amazon before as an affiliate? If you have, has it been very successful for you? What tips would you offer people in the community? I'd love to have this conversation going so we can help as many people as possible. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the other awesome stuff here on the channel. As always, you guys, thanks so very much for watching, and don't forget, go out there and create something awesome today. Take care.